Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine at home using yeast. First, you'll need to gather your essential equipment, including a primary fermenter, an airlock, and a hydrometer. Next, select about 10 to 15 pounds of ripe, high-quality fruit. Remember, thorough sanitation of all your equipment is absolutely critical to prevent unwanted bacteria from spoiling your delicious homemade wine. This initial preparation sets the stage for a successful batch. Once your fruit is prepared, whether crushed or pressed, it's time to introduce the magic ingredient, wine yeast. Add 1 packet of specialized wine yeast along with any necessary nutrients to your juice. This initiates the primary fermentation. Keep the fermenter in a stable environment, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 5 to 7 days. This temperature range ensures the yeast works efficiently. After primary fermentation, it's time for racking. Carefully transfer your wine from the primary fermenter to a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter, leaving behind the sediment, or lees. This step is crucial for clarifying your wine and preventing off flavors. Allow the wine to age and continue clarifying for several weeks or even a few months in this secondary vessel. Patience here truly pays off for a smoother taste. Finally, the exciting moment of bottling arrives. Ensure all your bottles and siphoning equipment are thoroughly sanitized. Gently siphon the clear, aged wine into your clean bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. Securely cork or cap each bottle. Store your finished wine in a cool, dark place, ideally at 55 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 3 to 6 months before enjoying your handcrafted creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.